Hello, boys and girls. In our first lesson, we looked at how we have our call numbers in order by the author's last name, and we were looking at alphabetizing according to the first letter of the author's last name. So if we had books on a shelf, we would make sure they're in alphabetical order first by the first letter. And so we have a D, then an H, then an L, then a P, then an S, and a Z. And if we look at our alphabet and find those letters, same letters in the alphabet, we notice that we do have these books in alphabetical order. But what if all the books had the same first letter on the last name? We would need to look at the second letter of the book author's last name and then alphabetize them according to that. And so we're going to practice real quick about putting alphabetical order on the second letter. We have all of our B's in here. So all of our authors' names start with the letter B. So then we have to look at the second letter. And so when we go through our alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So we come to our letters over here, and if we look at them, we see that we have an A. We have the first letter of the alphabet as one of our letters. And so we're going to move it over here, and that's going to be next to our first B. Then we don't have a B or a C or a D, but we have an E. So that would be our second book on the shelf. Then we have F, G, H will be our next one. Then I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. And so if all of our books had the same letter for the first letter of the author's last name, then we would look at that second letter to put them in order. Now let's try that with a group of books on the shelf. Here we have BLA, BIR, BRO, BUN, BER, and BAR. And so as we go by the alphabet, I just said BA, they all start with B, so the BA would come first. Then we have B, C, D, E. The BE would be next. F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, our last one. So if we were looking at the books on the shelf and they were all beginning with the same letter, then we need to go by the second letter of the last name. Thank you. Hope you...